By far, Phage has been one of the highlights of my freshman year. I mean, just to get the experience to get into labs, work with teachers, do more hands-on stuff has been wonderful, and it has, in a sense, giving me a better feel of what I'll be able to do in the field later on after I graduate.
Phagehunters is a group of freshmen here at PC, but it's also across the country. And we pretty much came in and we dug up in the dirt and looked for bacteriophages. And for people who don't know, bacteriophages are viruses which infect bacteria. So the ultimate goal is to find a virus that could hopefully infect the bacteria that causes tuberculosis or leprosy, those kind of important bacteria that can cause disease. We all found, or pretty much every one of us found, our own bacteriophage.
So right in front of Harkins Hall, right where the soil and the flower bed is. So I just picked a nice place. It was a rainy day. There's flowers. Like the first day I was here, so I just picked that area and just dug up soil. I was hoping for something good.
Then there was a process of isolating it because you have to go through and make sure that it's pure because you might have another virus or you might have another bacteria. So you want to make sure that it's the real thing. So once we did that through a bunch of stuff in the lab, a lot of experiments, we chose 3.
We sent it to University of Pittsburgh where they were able to give us the DNA code, and that's what we're working with second semester. We take the DNA code and we see what each gene does, and we try to compare it because this gene is this phage is completely new since there's thousands of phages out there that it hasn't been categorized before. So we compare it to other phages from other schools since other schools are also doing this program, and we try to predict what each individual gene does and what is its function for the phage, see if it's similar to others, where it differs, and at the same time learn about genes and coding and much more.
I think the experience is great, and if you want to be a scientist, I think it's good in showing you that science is not perfect more often than it is. So you kind of have to just run with it, and you realize that you can't control everything, which is kind of humbling.
So far, it sincerely has been one of the highlights of our freshman year, and just it has definitely solidified the fact that for me that I want to do biochemistry and biology with my life and my career. So
The fact that 2 people from the faculty who are probably the best in the faculty are so invested in us, are willing to focus on us. It's people who have taken us under their wing and are really interested in how we do here. I think that's a lot of things that you don't see at bigger schools, which is important to this school specifically.